Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a cheerleader on Dress to Impress. So in the male section, the masculine section, you're just going to select this top here and you're going to toggle it to the cheerleader top. You can color it to whatever color you want to. Obviously, I'm just going to choose pink because it's my favorite color. Why did I say obviously? You don't know that my favorite color is pink, but I'm just going to stick with the pink color here. And then for the skirt, you can use any skirt that you'd like to. I am just going to use this one, I think. I don't really like the belt though, so actually I might change my mind about that. I think I might use this new one in matte. Cute. Obviously, you can use any skirt that you like. You can even combine the skirts as well, I guess. I think I might add this for a skirt vibe, which is cute. For the socks, I am going to wear these high striped socks and I'm going to color it white. And then I'm just going to also toggle it to no feet so that I can wear shoes and so it doesn't show up, you know. I'm just going to color everything pink except for the laces, and then obviously we will need pom-poms for this, and that is pretty much it. You can add more stuff like hair accessories, a bow maybe if you would like to. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.